Best languages for beginner coders. Starting your coding journey? Let's explore the best languages for beginners. Python is simple and versatile, perfect for beginners to grasp the fundamentals of coding. JavaScript powers the web, making it essential for aspiring web developers. Swift is great for developing iOS apps, appealing to those interested in mobile programming. Ruby emphasizes simplicity and productivity, making it ideal for beginners. Choosing the right language can impact your learning experience and career opportunities. C# is popular for game development and Windows applications, making it fun to learn. Collaborative learning can help you master languages faster and more effectively. HTML is essential for web development, as it's the foundation of all website content. Engaging with community resources opens doors to mentorship and support. Books and online resources can provide valuable insights into various programming languages. Java's object-oriented structure is a great way to understand programming concepts. Participating in coding challenges helps sharpen your skills and build confidence. Python's clear syntax eliminates confusion, which is perfect for newcomers. JavaScript adds interactivity to websites, making user experiences more engaging. Stay motivated. The coding community is supportive and full of learning resources. Tutorial platforms can provide step-by-step guidance for learning languages. Learning Swift opens the door to rewarding careers in iOS app development. Celebrate small victories. Every piece of working code is a step forward. Webinars and online courses provide insights into languages and career options. Working in groups fosters collaboration, problem-solving, and shared knowledge. Choosing beginner-friendly languages simplifies the learning journey and boosts confidence. Java's vast usage in enterprise applications provides immense learning opportunities. Coding workshops can offer interactive experiences and networking opportunities. Select appropriate resources tailored to your learning style for best results. Personalizing your learning environment can enhance focus and productivity. Ruby on Rails is powerful for web applications, allowing rapid development for beginners. Collaborative coding helps refine your skills through real-time feedback and support. Embrace challenges. They'll help you grow as a coder and problem solver. Swift's adaptability allows for seamless transition into various app environments. Join online communities to ask questions and learn from experienced developers. Create an inspiring workspace to keep your coding spirit high and focused. HTML is fundamental. Without it, the web as we know wouldn't exist. Engage with meetups to expand your network and learn from others' experiences. Stay informed about popular languages to align your learning with industry trends. Participating in hackathons can accelerate your learning through hands-on experience. Python's application ranges from web development to data analysis, making it highly versatile. Mentorship provides personalized guidance and accelerates your learning process. Understanding logic and flow enhances your coding abilities, regardless of the language. Presenting your projects builds confidence and improves communication skills. Familiarize yourself with integrated development environments relevant to your chosen language. Understanding the history of coding languages can inform your learning choices. Attend tech festivals to explore exciting tech advancements and meet like-minded individuals. Pair programming encourages collaboration and amplifies learning experiences. Coding is about community. Building relationships can make learning enjoyable. Choose resources that fit your learning style to maximize engagement and retention. Invest in a suitable workspace and tools to enhance your learning experience. Every challenge overcome is a victory. Celebrate personal achievements along the way. Stay mindful of best practices to improve your coding habits and efficiency. Your coding journey is just starting. Embrace it with optimism and curiosity.